Yo, what's up mga kalatlong? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lances 1 Coordinate, kung saan sa bawat coordinates ay may kwento. For today's coordinate, we're going higher, literally. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Dinagsakan Peak ng Banay-Banay, Davao, Bulacan. With its breathtaking views and refreshing mountain air, I'm excited to show you this gem. Tara, simulan na natin ang kwento.
How to get there?
Our journey for today's coordinate began early, 4 a.m. sharp, departing from the city of Mati while the rest of the town was still asleep. Maaga kaming gumising to prepare our tire and gears for the hike. Jacket, trail shoes, water bottles, and of course, our camera equipments to capture everything. Mga kalatlong, always remember, preparation is the key. Lalo na kung aakyat tayo ng bundok. Dapat handa ang katawan, gamit at isipan. From Mati, we drove west and passed through the beautiful early morning roads of San Isidro, Lapon, at Banay-Banay proper. The views were peaceful, the sky starting to blue, and the mountain silhouettes reminding us of the adventure ahead. By the time we reached the Nagsaan Elementary School, the sun was beginning to rise behind the hills. Dito ang meet-up point ng lahat ng hikers. And before we began our ascent, we had a short registration with the local authorities. Support local tourism, mga kalatlong. Always follow guidelines, mag-register, at makisa sa mga local volunteers and guides. After the registration, our tour guide gave a short orientation, reminding us about the rules, the trail safety measures, and the importance of respecting nature. And before we took our first step, everyone bowed their heads as a prayer was offered, asking for guidance, safety, and a blessed hike ahead. With orientation and prayer done, it was finally time to begin. Mula sa birthing area, we started moving toward the trailhead, ready to conquer Dinagsaan Peak. We started the hike together with other hikers, and right away, we trail gave us a taste of the adventure ahead. Along the way, we passed through a mini stall where locals offered bottled waters, snacks, and even small souvenirs for hikers. But here's the tip, mga kalatlong. Kahit may stall sa daan, always ensure that you bring enough water with you. Stay hydrated is a must, lalo na kapag umaakyat sa bundok. Preparation is everything, kaya magdala talaga kayo ng sapat na tubig para safe at komportable ang hike.
Welcome to Dinagsaan Peak, also known as Mount Dinagsaan or Kagan Dinagsaan Peak, a must-visit hiking destination in Purok 2, Barangay Puntalinaw, Banay-Banay, Davao Oriental, Philippines. The trail of the summit stretches about 1.7 kilometers with an elevation of 540 meters above sea level. Rated 3 out of 9 in difficulty, the hike is beginner friendly yet still offers a rewarding challenge. On average, it takes around 2 hours to reach the summit. Because there's limited sheltering along the way, hikers are advised to start ascent early in the morning to enjoy the cold breeze and avoid the muddy heat. As of August 2, 2025, the registration fee is 350 pesos per hiker, helping support the local community and maintain the trail. Dinagsaan Peak offers more than just a climb. It is a chance to witness breathtaking views, experience fresh mountain air, and connect with nature at its purest. After a steady climb, mga kalatlong, we finally reach Station 1. This is the first major stop on our way to Dinagsaan Peak. A chance to rest, hydrate, and take in fresh mountain air. Mga kalatlong, reminder lang, always hydrate. Kahit beginner-friendly ang trail, kailangan pa rin ng tamang pacing at tubig para hindi ma-dehydrate habang umakyat. From here, the air is noticeably cooler and the view begins to open up, teasing us with what's still ahead at the summit. It's also a good time to check your gear, catch your breath, and get ready for the next stretch. Okay, hello mga kalatlong and welcome to Lance Adventure. For today's vlog, nandito kami ngayon sa Dinagsaan Peak, Banay-Banay, Davao Oriental. So we are now approaching
Station 1. So, advice lang guys, if naiwan na kayo ng tour guide nyo, don't worry, because always remember, follow the orange ribbon. Ang orange ribbon nakakalat lang along the way, kagaya nito guys. Orange ribbon, yan lang ang need na i-follow. Okay guys, okay mga kalatlong, andito na kami ngayon sa station 2. So 2 more stations left before 4 stations man
3 manggot
before reaching the summit of this dinagsaan.
I've been living in a hole in the mountain, halo sings in there. Oh, these memories, they keep on following the devil, he's a rambling man. I've been living in a hole in the mountain, halo sings in there. Oh, these memories, they keep on following the devil, he's a rambling man. Oh, I tried to keep this inside. Now is the time to see what we can find.
We've reached Station 3, the second to the last stop before the summit of Dinagsaan Peak. At this point, the air is colder, the trail is steeper, and every step feels more rewarding. Dito sa Station 3, randam na talaga ang pagod. Pero grabe, sulit na sulit. The cold breeze and the view remind us why we're here and push us to keep going. This is good place to take a final water break. Adjust your gear and gather your strength for the last push. Summit isn't far now. Just one more stretch to go. Mga kalatlong, kunting tiis na lang. The peak is waiting for us. Ready na ba kayo? Let's move on to the final station before the summit. Here we are, mga kalatlong, Station 4 na, the last stop before reaching the summit of Dinagsaan Peak. After this, it's the final stretch to the top. Grabe, ang lamig na dito, but the excitement is real. Dahil pagkatapos nito, summit na tayo. This last station is the perfect spot to rest briefly, hydrate one final time, and prepare mentally for the summit push. The trail ahead may be the most challenging, but the rewards at the peak makes it all worth it. After hours of climbing, mga kalatlong, we finally made it! The summit of Dinagsaan Peaks, standing at the top with a cold breeze on our faces and a panoramic view stretching as far as the eye can see. Every step of the journey was truly worth it. Mga kalatlong, grabe! We did it! Look at this view! Ang ganda! Ang presko! At napakapayapa. Ito yung reward na hindi matutumpasan. Here at Coordinates, nature reminds us how small we are, yet how big our dreams and journeys can be. Dinagsaan Peak is more than just a climb. It is an experience that humbles, refreshes, and inspires. Sa bawat pawis, hingal, effort, ito yung kapalit, peace, beauty, and the unforgettable memory. Mga kalatlong, this is Dinagsaan Peak.
Nining panahon, ipanumpa kong itigalian o pag-auktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong idugo mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino. Ako ang dalangpan, ako imong tamin o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan. O kung ay klaro man ang kalibutan, ikaw magduha-duha o tikang kung mahulog ka, andam kung mahulog uban. Sana sa tananon, nining panahon, ipanumpa kong itigalian o pag-auktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong idugo mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa.
Back home from Dinagsaan Peak, I can't help but reflect on the journey we've taken today. From the early morning drive to the steady climb, and finally standing at the summit. Every moment was a reminder of how beautiful life is when shared with good company and guided by determination. Mga kalatlong, another coordinate was explored and another kwento shared. Today, we proved that no peak is too high if you take it one step at a time. Like the saying goes, it is not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. Each climb teaches us patience, perseverance, and appreciation for the little things, the breeze, the laughter, and the silence of nature. So mga kalatlong, thank you for joining me this second episode of Lance S1 Coordinates. kung saan sa bawat coordinates may kwento. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you!
Layo ba